This gaming laptop has an OLED display and a 1600p screen resolution. But should you even consider this laptop, considering it only has a mid-range RTX 5060? Now let's talk about the performance. These games were tested at 1600p and we're starting with Forza Horizon 6. At high settings with DLSS set to performance and ray tracing set to high, the Lenovo Legion 5A gets an average FPS of the mid to high 60s. DLSS set to performance certainly helps with performance, especially with ray tracing, but I would turn down or completely turn off ray tracing and bump DLSS to quality or balanced. Up next, we have Arc Raiders, and at high settings with DLAA, we're getting a similar average FPS of the mid to high 60s. I think this is playable, and you're not sacrificing a lot of visual fidelity just to play the game. However, if you're looking for a little more performance, setting DLSS to quality bumps the average FPS to almost 100, which is quite smooth. And lastly, Cyberpunk 2077. At high settings with DLSS set to balanced and with some ray tracing, we're getting an average FPS of around the low to mid 60s. I think this is pretty playable, and it's not exactly a competitive game to need more than 60 FPS. Overall, this laptop provides promising gaming performance, and with that said, let's go over the rest of the laptop. This laptop screen is a 15-inch OLED 1600p display with a refresh rate of 165 Hz. You won't be able to reach this much frame rate at 1600p with most modern games with reasonable graphics settings unless you use DLSS and frame generation. However, with competitive games like CS2 or Valorant, this laptop will be more than capable of doing so. The display also covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color space, which makes it great for HDR gaming and HDR content consumption. This laptop comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB of storage. Upgradability with this laptop is decent, with 2 slots for each of those modules. You don't have to upgrade the RAM in my opinion, since 32GB is already the sweet spot for most gamers nowadays. When it comes to connections, this laptop has an Ethernet port, 2 Type-C USB ports, and a Type-A USB port to the left. To the right of the laptop, there are 2 more Type-A USB ports and a 3.5mm audio jack. At the back, there's a charging port and an HDMI 2.1 port. This laptop currently costs $2,288, almost $2,300 basically, and for good reason, the OLED display. If you're fine with paying over $2,000 for an RTX 5060 just because it has an OLED display, then you may check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. However, if we're talking about performance alone, this laptop is a little too expensive for what it offers. If you're only looking for a gaming laptop that can push as much FPS as possible, then this Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI might be a better choice with its RTX 5070 Ti. It only costs $1,750 and has a 240Hz refresh rate, which is much more achievable. If this laptop sounds interesting to you, of course, there are links in the description box below, and you may scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!